Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have a Google account that owns or manages the channel you'll manage. Open the YouTube Studio app and sign in with that account. Grant camera, microphone, and storage permissions so uploads and thumbnails work. Once signed in, make sure two-step verification is enabled for security and family-managed devices are identified. You should now see your channel dashboard. Tap the profile and switch accounts if you need to access a different channel. Now you configure channel identity and defaults. From the dashboard, go to Customization to update name, avatar, and channel banner so branding appears consistently across devices. Then open Settings to set upload defaults, visibility, default tags, category, and thumbnail templates to save time on every video. Once done, connect your social links and check monetization eligibility. Link AdSense if prompted. Make sure your privacy and comment mod. Finish by establishing your upload workflow. Tap Create, choose video, then add title, description, tags, and a thumbnail. Decide Publish Now or Schedule for later. Use the Analytics tab to watch retention and traffic sources and the Comments area to manage viewer interactions. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, switch to a stable Wi-Fi, or update the app. If uploads still fail, sign out and back in or restart your device. That usually resolves permission or sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.